Hey guys, Dr. Monica Davis and Dr. Nia Kenya here from Movement Solutions. We're going to be going over shoulder packing with you. I'm going to start off having Nia lay on her side, and then we'll actually have her sit up and we'll show you that view a little bit better of what's going on. This exercise is going to be helpful for engaging more of the stability muscles in the shoulder to help support that, and then just creating some tension in your shoulder to help support some of the exercises that we'll be going through. So what I'm going to have Nia do is I'm going to have her act like she is bringing her shoulder blade down into her back pocket. So, yep. And as you can tell, that's coming down and a little bit back. Okay. And then I'll have Nia go ahead and sit up. You can face the wall here. We're going to do the same thing. You do not have to have someone help you do this at home. You can do it on your own. But we'll go ahead, look here. Nia's bringing those shoulder blades. They're coming down and back. Okay. That's giving her more support from other muscles like the lat that can help keep that good tension throughout exercises. All right, guys, there you have it. There's the shoulder packing exercise. Let us know if you have any questions.